$2 fluid that makes any transmission shift like new. No rebuild, no shop, no $3,000 bill, just one cheap bottle that stops the shutter and buys you another 100,000 miles. And the reason you've never heard of it, supposedly, is that it's banned in 12 states. That's the claim going viral right now, and it has everything a great story needs. A miracle fix and a cover-up to explain why nobody's talking about it. It also happens to be mostly false. I went looking for the truth behind that fluid, and what I found is that one part of this could destroy the exact transmission you're trying to save. But there's a real bottle under $20 that genuinely does what everyone wishes the miracle fluid did. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know both. What the viral fluid actually is. The fluid at the center of every one of these videos is tung oil. Tung oil is pressed from the seeds of the tung tree, native to central China and introduced to the American South in the early 1900s. The paint and varnish industry used it as a wood finish for decades. Woodworkers still use it today, and the entire viral pitch is built on one real property of tung oil that gets twisted into something dangerous. Tung oil is a drying oil. When it's exposed to air and heat, it polymerizes. It cross-links into a hard, solid film. That's exactly why it's a good wood finish. You wipe it on, it cures, and it becomes a durable protective layer bonded to the surface. The viral videos take that real property and make a leap. They claim that when tung oil polymerizes inside a transmission, it forms a beneficial film on the clutch plates that smooths shifting and fills in worn surfaces. It sounds plausible. It uses real words, and it is exactly backwards. What it actually does to your transmission. Here's the part the testimonials never show you because the damage doesn't happen in the first 20 miles. An automatic transmission is a precision hydraulic system. Transmission fluid does 4 jobs at once. It transfers power through the torque converter. It carries hydraulic pressure through dozens of narrow passages in the valve body to control every shift. It cools the system. And it provides a very specific, very carefully engineered friction characteristic so the clutch packs grab at exactly the right moment. The one thing you never want inside that system is something that hardens. A drying oil that polymerizes into a solid film does not improve any of those 4 jobs. It sabotages all of them. The valve body contains hydraulic passages narrower than the head of a pin. A polymerizing oil settling into those passages is the definition of a clog. And a clogged valve body means erratic shifting, pressure loss, and eventually no shifting at all. On the clutch friction material, a hardening film doesn't restore the engineered friction characteristic, it glazes it. A glazed clutch slips worse, not better, and the torque converter, the cooler lines, the filter, all of it is now circulating a fluid that's trying to turn into varnish. And here's the detail that makes it worse. The transmissions people try this on are almost always the older, higher mileage ones. The exact transmissions with the least margin for error left in them. A worn transmission is already running tighter clearances, weaker hydraulic pressure, and friction material that's thinner than it was new. Introduce a substance that hardens into those conditions, and you're not rolling the dice on a healthy system that might shrug it off. You're pouring a curing agent into the one transmission least able to survive it. The reason the testimonials exist is timing. Tung oil takes time and heat to fully cure. In the first week, somebody might genuinely feel a slightly different shift, the same way any fresh fluid feels different. They film the video, they post the testimonial. The polymerization that destroys the valve body happens later, after the camera's off, and by then nobody connects the dead transmission to the $2 bottle they poured in 3 months ago. Quick pause here. I'm doing a $100 Amazon gift card giveaway to celebrate this channel reaching 1,000 subscribers. No action required to enter. I'll randomly pick a winner once we hit the milestone. If you want to follow along or see the winner announcement, go ahead and subscribe. Now back to it, because the next part is where the conspiracy story falls apart. The banned in 12 states claim. This is the part that gives the whole story its hook, and it's worth pulling apart carefully because it's designed to make you angry instead of skeptical. The claim goes like this: 12 states passed automotive fluid compatibility statutes. Chemical companies lobbied to engineer tung oil out of the market. There's a missing 1968 SAE technical paper that documented the miracle and quietly disappeared. There's a small Ohio company that got sued out of existence for selling a tung oil additive. Here's the problem. None of it holds up when you actually look. There is no SAE paper documenting tung oil as a transmission friction system improver. There are no 12 states with statutes that single out a wood finishing oil and ban it from transmissions. The named companies, the named individuals, the FOIA-sourced government minutes, all of it follows a very specific storytelling pattern. A precise-sounding paper number. A named whistleblower who tells the story carefully, without embellishment. A small, honest company crushed by big industry. These details aren't evidence. They're set dressing, and they're there to make a chemically false claim feel like suppressed truth. And ask yourself the obvious question the videos never answer. If a $2 bottle of wood oil genuinely saved transmissions, every fleet operator, every taxi company, every trucking outfit running thousands of vehicles on thin margins would already be using it by the barrel. They are not. The people with the most money on the line and the most to gain have never touched it. That silence tells you everything. There is a real conspiracy in the transmission world. It's just not this one. The real story is the additive industry selling $4 and $12 miracle bottles that promise to rebuild what's already worn out, and shops quoting $3,000 rebuilds on transmissions that only ever needed a fluid service. That's the actual way people get separated from their money, and the fix for it is real, and it is cheap. What actually works for almost nothing. Here's the genuinely useful part, the thing the viral videos are reaching for and getting wrong. A huge percentage of the shudders, hesitations, and harsh shifts that get diagnosed as your transmission is worn out are not worn out transmissions at all. They're degraded fluid. Automatic transmission fluid breaks down with heat and miles. As it degrades, it loses the exact friction characteristic that makes clutches engage cleanly, and you get the shudder. Most people, and a lot of shops, blame the hardware. The hardware is usually fine. The fix is a drain and fill with the correct specification fluid for your transmission, not an additive, the fluid itself. You drain what comes out of the pan. You refill with the exact spec your vehicle calls for. Dexron, Merkin, an ATF plus 4, a CVT fluid, whatever your specific transmission requires. And you've replaced the single most important wear factor in the entire system. On many vehicles, you can do this in a driveway with basic tools, and the fluid runs roughly $8 to $20 a quart, depending on spec. A drain and fill doesn't replace all the fluid at once, so the genuinely cheap, genuinely effective move is to do it. Drive a few hundred miles and do it again, gradually refreshing the system without ever opening the transmission up. One critical warning that matters more than anything else in this video: use only the fluid your transmission is specified for. The wrong ATF can cause the exact shudder you're trying to fix, and a few sealed or specialized transmissions need specific procedures. Check your owner's manual or the spec stamped on the dipstick. That's the real $2 philosophy fix. Right fluid, right interval, no magic bottle. Wait, you're watching this right now and you're not subscribed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can finish this out. You did? Okay, good. Now back to the last piece, because there's one more thing the rebuild quote never tells you. Why the rebuild gets quoted anyway. If a fluid service is so cheap and so effective, why does the counter quote you $3,500 before he's even looked at the car? Because shops bill for what they can bill for. There's no four-figure margin in a drain and fill. There's enormous margin in a rebuild. That doesn't make every shop dishonest. Plenty will tell you to try a fluid service first, but it does mean the incentive structure pushes toward the expensive answer. The viral tung oil videos exploit that real frustration. They're right that the industry profits from your ignorance. They're just wrong about the solution, and their solution will hand the shop the rebuild they quoted, because a valve body full of polymerized oil genuinely does need to come apart. The honest version of self-sufficiency isn't a secret fluid the chemical companies don't want you to know about. It's understanding your own machine well enough to know that degraded fluid mimics a dying transmission, that fresh correct spec fluid is cheap, and that the miracle bottle is almost always a worse deal than the boring maintenance. The truth is, the viral $2 fluid is a drying oil, and pouring it into a transmission is one of the fastest ways to kill it. The real hero costs under $20 a quart. A correct spec, full synthetic ATF like Valvoline Max Life or Castrol Transmax run as a simple drain and fill. Match the spec your vehicle calls for, and it can save a transmission the shop already wrote off. Drop your make, model, and mileage in the comments, and subscribe for real mechanical knowledge instead of the myth that wrecks your car.